In this video, I'm going to show you another method to get $10 on Cash App. So Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. You're going to have a cash balance at the top, savings, Bitcoin, stocks. You can even do your taxes, receive paychecks. Pretty much anything a banking or investing account can do, you can do that on Cash App. So recently I found a new way that you can get or use $10, and that involves the card and a discount. So you can get this card and they'll send you a physical card in the mail as well. And then you can use the card to spend your cash balance here. And right below the card, you're gonna see these offers. So you can go to see all offers, scroll down and get a bunch of different discounts, coupons. And right here they have a new one that is just $10 off of any purchase. So I'm going to show you how to use that. You want to just tap on it. I already have mine selected, so it's going to show up right there below the card. I'm going to unlock my card and then we're going to purchase something on Amazon. So I'm here on Amazon in my cart, and I have this TV stand that I need to buy anyways. It's $37.20. Another note, you can see that I have $46.90 right here in my app. So it's going to use that money to purchase this item on Amazon. I'm going to do proceed to checkout. You can add your Cash App card here on Amazon. I have mine saved right here. I'm going to tap continue. My order total is $40.85. So this should charge me $30.85. I have tomorrow selected as the delivery day, and I'm just going to tap place order. Order placed, thank you. Confirmation has been sent. We should get a notification here on Cash App shortly. Let me refresh Cash App. Okay, you can see now that that payment went through. I now have $16.05 in my Cash App. We can go to my history in the bottom right corner and click on this transaction. You can see it charged me $30.85 and my $10 off was applied. I'm gonna go back to my card screen, lock that again. I just like to keep it locked so, you know, if I lose my card or anything, nobody else can use my money here in my cash balance. And that's how to do it, how to get another $10 on Cash App. Use that towards something. Hope you guys found this helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.